In this video, we will discuss Accounting 1, Fast Entry, General Journal Menu. In this menu, you can manually journalize debits and credits. You can process all sorts of accounting data, including receipts, payments, payroll, deposit, withdrawal, and so on. In Type field at the top right, you can set the menu type, for instance, Sales Invoice to, Purchase Invoice to, Payroll Slip, Foreign Currency Exchange, and Depreciation, and so forth. In Type field of the bottom area, you can select between 3 debits and 4 credits. After setting debit-credit type, you can enter each corresponding account and customer vendor for double-entry bookkeeping. For instance, to enter your payment of accounts payable amount, you can firstly select debit type, and in Account Code field, enter the account code for the payment, accounts payable. Then enter the vendor that you paid the amount to, and enter the amount. Then on the next row, select credit type, and in Account Code field, enter the payment method. I will enter cash payment and enter cash on hand account. Then you can finish by entering the amount in credit field. Next, to enter a receipt of accounts receivable amount from a customer, select debit type and enter the method of the receipt. You can enter checking account or savings account if you received the amount in your bank account, or you can enter cash on hand account if you received the amount in cash, or notes receivable, etc. This time I will enter checking account. Then enter the corresponding bank account in customer vendor field, and enter the amount you received. Then on the next row, select credit type, and enter the account code for the receipt, accounts receivable. Then enter the customer who deposited the amount. Then enter the amount. After entering each row, you can click Save and Print button to verify the journal entry and debits and credits amount. Also, you can enter transactions with promissory notes in General Journal menu. For instance, if you received promissory notes for AR amount of a customer, in 3 debits, enter notes receivable account and enter the customer. Then I will enter the amount, $1,000. In 4 credits, enter accounts receivable and enter the customer and amount. And as for notes receivable, you can manage the notes by entering their number. In the far right side, if you click Enter button in Additional Info field, a new window will pop up where you can enter the details of the promissory notes. You can enter note number, face amount, and due date. So right now I will enter a random number, and the amount entered in the input screen will be automatically loaded. Then set the due date and apply. And once you've entered a note number, you can verify that the additional info field is shaded. And this time as well, you can click Save and Print button to verify the journal entry. So, since you entered note number, the number will be marked in the journal entry as well. And the note transaction entered in the General Journal menu can be also found in Accounting 1, Notes module. In Outstanding Note Status menu, if you set the date as today and click Search button. You can see the notes receivable that you received from Day Cafe.